Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure CoinMarketCap alerts for portfolio watchlists. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure CoinMarketCap alerts for your portfolio watchlists, start by visiting the CoinMarketCap website. Log into your account or create one if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to your portfolio section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to set an alert for. Click on the cryptocurrency to open its detailed view. Look for the alert icon, usually represented by a bell symbol. Click on the alert icon to open the alert settings. Choose the type of alert you want to create. Options may include price changes or percentage increases or decreases. Set the specific conditions for your alert. For example, you might want to be notified when the price rises above a certain threshold. Select the frequency of notifications preferred. You can opt for immediate alerts or daily summaries. Once you've set your conditions, click on the Save button to activate your alert. You will receive notifications based on the settings you configured. Repeat the process for each cryptocurrency in your watch list. To manage your alerts later, return to the alert settings in your portfolio. Here, you can edit or delete any existing alerts as needed. That's it. You now have alerts set up for your cryptocurrency portfolio on CoinMarketCap. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.